Hello everyone. So for today's vlog DI is that we are going to celebrate Valentine's Day. And for this year, we choose to celebrate Valentine's Day here at Bai Hotel. Actually guys, while at the Grab taxi, I'm not actually feeling well because gamay ra kog sleep last night. I think around 5 or 6 hours, and for me that's not enough. Anyway, fast forward na ako there is a hallway going to my room, and technically I've been a couple of times na there is a by hotel for any occasions, like for random lang if I feel like I want to go out. And yep, here's my room.
Wow, here's our room, guys.
Pag enter pa lang ako sa main entrance or sa lobby guys, I'm not really feeling well. Kaya murag na ako na-inhale na naka-trigger sa akong allergies. So as you makita ninyo dila sa akong now nga murag swollen akong eyes, nose, like my entire face kay nag-red or reddish. So it's this room there guys is mo ni siya ang deluxe room. So yung anita siya kadaka. And this is the view. Actually, I don't really like the view kay muna siya napuno sa container. And I'm actually looking forward sa kaning condominium sa and this is also the CR. Ganahan ko silang CR there because very aesthetic and very modern po siya. Then put sila pa free nga dried mangoes here. Actually guys, I'll be staying here for 3 days and 2 nights. So nami mga
Ang init sa labas,
kinagmay nga
Sugo.
activity diri. So while nagkaon sa dried mango guys is that ganahan kayo ko mo idlip or mo power nap kay ni grabe jud ang akong allergy diri. Nga mura bitag ni itchy ang around sa akong eyes and also my nose. And kana bitaw ganahan ka mo sneeze. But yeah. So mao ni atong outfit check for today's arrival. Top is actually from Bershka. Tag 4,000 kapi na siya guys. Mahal kay na. Last December na ako Dubai. Pa-flex lang. So after I got sa akong room guys is natog ko, nag-power nap, and when I woke up, I decided to go to sauna. So this time is mo ni siya naka-relief na ko gamay because sauna really na maka-help sa akong allergies, especially the steam area. Good thing guys kay wala kayo tao diri sa lang sauna, actually diri ni sa inside sa ilang gym. So solo kay na akong sauna and steam room this one. After na ko hot shower and sauna guys, of course nag-prepare din ta for tonight's stay. So mao din ako ang top or outfit for tonight's Valentine's. So I called earlier their front desk to book one of the restaurants. So around this time guys is that fully booked jud. Almost tanan restaurant here sa Bay Hotel, and good thing sa may lobby and lounge nila is napay mga vacant, and so I decided na lang dito na lang mag dinner for tonight's Valentine's since nasa live Valentine's promo, but it's still expensive, guys, because I think almost 4,000 good for uh two people and three dishes though. So mao din ang atong outfit for tonight. Outfit check for tonight's date. So after a couple of minutes, naanunday mi diri sa Bay Hotel lounge area to take our dinner. So mao ni three different dishes, guys, na among gi-avail for their Valentine promo, and mao ni ang dessert. So two different main dishes and one dessert. And of course, dili mawa ang amarettos. Also, ka-enjoy sa live singers while eating or having our dinner for tonight.
In other words, hold my hand.
And of course, guys, aside sa flowers and chocolates, di dyan na dapat mawa ang money. Mo ang pinaka-important. So after the date night, guys, is wala na kay ko naka-video. It's because I'm still not feeling well because of my allergies. So during this time, I already woke up and we go straight to the second floor to take our breakfast. So this is actually a buffet breakfast nga include na sa among reservation. Nice kayong ilahang buffet area, guys, cause dako kayo ang area at the same time is daghan kayo pagkapilian unsa imong kaunon ang breakfast. Every hotel nga mo stay mi, guys, is that mao jud niya akong pinaka favorite kaning nga bread and match with the butter. Mao jud na akong the best combo every time nga mag-check-in mi sa hotel or mo kuha big breakfast buffet. And of course, mao
Hi
ni
guys,
siya
so
ang
here's
ako
my
ang main
breakfast
dish
for today.
after I eat the pan de sauce or the bread with butter. Our good day here, guys. Even though man ako eat sa akong main dish, I can't still stop myself nga mukuha pa og pan with butter because this is actually my favorite. And after na mo og breakfast, guys, I went straight back to my room to chill. Kana, guys, actually nag-call bit ako na nag-check bit ako kay ting bayad na sa bills na, di ba? After na magbayad sa mga bills, guys, maluya jud ka na, so may pagmatug. Then around mga 3 or I think 4 p.m. is niadto din ko sa ilahang rooftop pool to, of course, mag-swimming, enjoy the view, and you know, kana bitong atong pahimuslan while we're staying here. Actually, guys, aside sa ilahang lounge area, nasa Valentine promo diri last night, it just so happened nga pagtawag namo sa ilahang concierge is that fully booked na sila. So, that's why nga didto na lang mi nag-dinner sa ilang lounge area. So, mao din ni chill-chill din ta diri, guys. Swimming. No, the stress for today. Nice kay ni diri guys during evening time kay naa sila yung mini bar at the same time naapod na yung mga live band diri and get enjoy jud sa city lights while chilling, having date, chit chat with your friends or your lover. So yeah, one thing I don't like lang jud diri sa Bay Hotel guys is that gamay ra kayong establishment inside sa hotel compare nimo sa ubang big or five stars hotel ba. But anyway, we still enjoyed our time staying at Bay Hotel and yeah, see you again guys. Bye.